Good morning and welcome to Casual Chef Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew. It's Tuesday and Robin has the day off. So we went to Lambert House Cafe and had a wonderful breakfast. Yes, I believe the address is 208 Bridge Street here in Yuba City, California. They're open 7 days a week, except for around holidays, so give them a visit. They would love to see you and serve you great food. Try them out if you haven't been there. Okay, so over the last few days, as you know, Robin and I have been feasting on what we call fun food. We've been grazing on hummus and hot artichoke dip and spinach dip and Werner's meatballs and cheeses and meats and various other crackers and yumminess and chips and yeah. Okay. Today, I'm back to actual real cooking. So, for today and tonight, I'm going to be preparing one of my childhood favorites, growing up in Michigan, chicken and dumplings. So, I like this recipe for one reason. It's got Bisquick in the ingredient list. Bisquick to me is the ultimate when it comes to making dumplings. Even I can't screw them up. Okay, so let's get to it. We got some hardware going. And a lot of you are going to say, Chef, there's no noodles in chicken and dumplings. Well, my version, there is. Not a lot. Because I'm making enough of this, so we'll have soup left over. Okay, so we've got some olive oil, some chicken stock, heavy cream for the soup portion. Of course, kosher salt, fresh ground black pepper. I'm going to add a little bit of jarred garlic, flour for thickening. I'm using chicken thighs, which I will cook off later on, before I put it together. And there'll be carrots, yellow onion, celery. I'm going to put in a handful or so of frozen peas and a handful or so of frozen corn. The milk is for the dumplings. There's the Bisquick. There's some unsalted butter. And for the soup portion, it originally calls for Italian seasoning. I'm just going to build my own. I'm using some Mexican paprika, which I know is not Italian, but this is my soup, my kitchen, my rules. So some Mexican paprika, some Mexican sweet basil, Mexican oregano, whole thyme, and the garlic powder is actually for the dumplings, which I'm probably going to eliminate because I just find that a little weird. So I'm doing my thing, recreating a recipe, casual chefing it. That's what I do. So, what are your plans for today? What are you having for dinner? Tell me in the comments. So, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.